find the difficult letter Q. So it is very difficult letter and it is very important letter in the world. Only genius person spot the mistake. So only talent person write the answer. And I said 90% people failed write the correct answer. And the videos is quality and quantity is most popular and it is very good. I said the videos is the better video. So only genius person spot the mistake and the video is the most popular videos. So it is most popular videos and 90% people failed write the answer. So only genius person correct answer and only talent person is the mistake number. So it letter. So it is very popular letter. Please the mistakes letter is comment.